Let's look at this question now. Suresh has a wooden board in the shape of a triangle with sides 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Oh, so it's a primitive triplet and it's a second multiple of that primitive triplet 3, 4, 5. So it's a second multiple 6, 8, and 10. He rotates the board around one of its side by moving the vertex opposite that side. What is the minimum volume of the region formed by the rotation of the board through 180-degree around any of its edges? Okay, so let me just draw the diagram of this triangle first. So this is 6, this is 8, and this is 10, right, guys? Now we have three edges. One is 6 centimeters long, other is 8 and 10 centimeters long. Now this question is about rotating this figure 180-degree about each of the edges, right? So if I rotate this figure, if I rotate this figure, uh, if I rotate this figure around this edge, which is 6 centimeters long, right? So we already know that if we rotate a triangle around its edge, then it form a conical shape, right? So it form a 3D shape that would be cone, right? So if I rotate this figure by 180-degree, so it would be half the cone, right? If I rotate it 360-degree, that is completely, it would be a full cone. But in this question it is given that we have to rotate it 180-degree. That means it would be a half a cone, right? So let me just find the volumes when I rotate this triangle, when I rotate this triangle around each of its edges, right? So let's take the first case. When I rotate it around 6, when I rotate it around 6 centimeter side, right? So it would be a conical shape, it would be a conical shape, right? And it would be half the conical shape, right? Like this half conical shape. What would be the area of this, oh sorry, volume of this cone? It would be half, it would be half the area of this cone. And what would that be? The area of that cone would be 1 by 3, 1 by 3 pi r square. What would be the radius? Radius would be 8 centimeters into h, and this height would be 6, correct? Now this get cancelled, so I'm getting 64 pi as the volume, right? Now second case is when I am rotating it around, when I rotating it around 8 centimeter edge. So the volume would be half into 1/3 pi r square h. Radius here would be 6 because the required or the final figure would be like this. This would be a cone, right? This would be half the cone. So it would be 1 by 2, 1 by 3 pi r square. R square would be 36 into h. H is 8. So this is 12 and this is 4. So it would be 36, right? Yes, if I move it around, this would be half of r square. Radius is 36 and height is 8. Yes. So 2 4 time, 12 into 4 is 48. So this become 48 pi. This volume is 48 pi. Now for the final, when I move it around, when I rotate it around this edge, which is hypotenuse, if I rotate it around this hypotenuse, the required figure would be this, right? It would be two cones, it would be two cones, right? Which are joined along this diameter, which are joined along this diameter. So first we have to find the length of this perpendicular from this vertex to the hypotenuse. So half Base into height is the area of this triangle, and I could also write it as half base is 10, that is hypotenuse, into height. So I can write the value of height as half get cancelled, 4.8. So this is 4.8. So the area when it so the ball volume when it is rotated around 10 centimeter, it would be half cone 1/3 pi. Okay, first I need, oh sorry, I know there are two cones, right? Upper cone and the lower cone, right? So half of the cones, two cones, and 1/3 pi r square. Radius is 4.8 for both these cones, right? So it would be 4.8 whole square into height, right? So the height of one cone is h1 and the second is h2, right? This is h1 and this is h2. If you take this part common, you are left with h1 plus h2, and this h1 plus h2 will give you 10. That is the complete hypotenuse. So it would be 1 upon 6 into pi into 4.8 into 4.8 into 10 into 10. So this get cancelled by 6 8 times. So it would be equal to 64 and 38. So 38.4 pi. So we have to answer what is the minimum volume of the region formed by the rotation of board. It would be 38.4, because in first case it was 64 pi, second case it was 48 pi, in third case it is 38.4 pi. So correct answer has to be option B.